x to a means reduce this integral to gamma means put x square is equal to t. Put x square is equal to t. Therefore x square is equal to t upon x square. Taking positive square root, therefore x is equal to 1 upon h into root t. Root t can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. We get x is a function of t. And using this path to calculate the value of dx means differentiating x with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to 1 by h. Derivative of t raised to 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. T raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, equation of dx is 1 upon 2h t raised to minus 1 by 2 into dt. And find the limits of t. Given limits 0 to infinity. To calculate the limits of t. Using the path x square is equal to t. First put x is equal to 0. 0 into any value will be 0. X is infinity into any value infinity. Then putting all these values in I. Therefore I is equal to reducing integral t varies from new limits 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square is t into dx. Equation of dx is 1 upon 2h t raised to minus 1 by 2 into dt. 1 by 2h is a constant outside the integral into e raised to minus t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Therefore write this integral in gamma function. 1 upon 2h 0 to infinity e raised to minus t into t raised to n minus 1. N minus 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1 into dt. That is 1 upon 2h into gamma n. The value of n is 1 by 2. And the value of gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. Root pi upon 2h. We get the value of 0 to infinity e raised to minus h square x square into dx. Okay. Then second type is examples involving constant raised to variable. मैं एग्जाम्पल से एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. To evaluate integration from 0 to infinity x raised to a upon a raised to x into x. Integrate with respect to x. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया x raised to a means variable raised to constant upon a raised to x that is constant raised to variable dx. आप डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रल सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आपको ये इंटीग्रल सॉल्व करना है. Then to solve this integral using the definition of gamma. But definition of gamma क्या है आपकी? Integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 dx. तो आपको एक फॉर्म इस फॉर्म में लेके आना है, बराबर है. तो पुट कांस्टेंट रेज्ड टू वेरिएबल, पुट कांस्टेंट रेज्ड टू वेरिएबल इज इक्वल टू e रेज्ड टू t. तो 1 अपॉन e रेज्ड टू t हो जाएगा एंड 1 अपॉन e रेज्ड टू t मींस e रेज्ड टू माइनस t. Then simplify this equation, that is taking log on both sides, that is x log a is equal to t log e. Log e is 1, therefore x is equal to a upon log e. Then differentiating x with respect to t, dx by dt is equal to 1 upon log a. Therefore dx is equal to 1 upon log a into t. Find the limits of t using x. The limits of x are 0 to infinity. To find the new limits, that is to find the limits of t by using the path x is equal to t upon log a. First value of x is 0. 0 into any value 0. Second value of x is infinity. Infinity into log a is infinity. Therefore I becomes integration from t varies from 0 to infinity 1 upon ax, but a raised to x is e raised to t and 1 upon e raised to t is e raised to minus t into x raised to a, but the equation of x is t upon log a bracket is to a into dx and dx is 1 upon log a into t. Therefore I is equal to